think mfethu apuli showed up mfethu. You know, our police mfethu sometimes ne. I don't know how you guys rate a policy and really in terms of like when they go pound to pound, how far are they for you goes already? One so like it because sometimes it goes to mfethu. Apoli mfethu is versatile mfethu, and so like you like get that guy on the right wing mfethu. He'll produce. Give him number 10, he'll produce. Antola. Give him left wing, he'll produce. Antola. And he's not a player that is shy of taking responsibility. Wantola kile ngejwa. Makalibamba ntangu uyangithola abona ukuthi team ayinaplan uyangithola. Unokutshela idefend ukuthi woza wena ngizokuthatha uyangithola. And ayithatha uyangithola into enjani. So mfethu those two guys mfethu for me mfethu like they are mfethu
same level.
You know, I think really mhlambe and like they are pound to pound.
Same
but
level.
you know why ne? Our policy has some qualities that really doesn't have. I'll mention ukuthi a policy in terms of like taking things on his shoulders and saying, okay, now I'm gonna create something. Tight spaces, uyangithola ukuthi uyangithola into enjani. Yes, uyangithola. And he has the IQ a policy, ne? But this IQ is not as the same level as real. Uyangithola into enjani because our policy sometimes will see a pass, you thinking our policy will uyangithola do that pass, but at decide ukuthi ufuna ukungena mhlawumbe azama ukudlala i1-2 uyangithola into enjani. But really IQ
on top, but taking on players njengoba policy does.
Yes, but tight spaces uyangithola, if you give him a ball in a tight space, he can be easily sometimes shoved off the ball uyangithola. But police sense of low sense of gravity is there, you can't just shove him uyangithola into enjani. Uzongena sometimes ashelele mara still protect
uyangithola. He's gold.
Sure uyangithola into
enjani.
Beautiful uyangithola. That's the advertisement that police. And then let's show really nice.
And if you check their numbers, allow the wakuluma ngithi mina numbers don't matter. Our police is on 6 assists and 8 goals.
Sure.
It is on 10 goals and 6 assists. These guys bala
bayadingana
ukuthi like obvious Cocomelon it's on another level but now police
I don't even think like it's a matter of Cocomelon being on another level. I mean I when I see these guys in front I think bavaya kanje I think mhlambe really where he might edge our police cause mfethu IQ is very important very young. Sometimes release that pass,